friends, thank you for coming to my channel. Massage the muscles in your neck by gently grabbing them. Follow the path of your neck muscles. As we age, the cheekbones sag, which causes not only sagging cheeks, but also the creation of eye bags. Let's prevent this from happening. Continue to lift the cheekbone. Using your knuckle, glide and lift the jawline. You can also use your gua sha tool if you have one. Massage the muscles in your neck by gently shaking them. Follow the path of your neck muscles. Glide upward here using your knuckles. Lift the jawline using your knuckles as you try to move the jaw downward to tighten and strengthen this area. It's important to do this regularly as we age. Stimulate the jawline and cheek muscles by pinching. Continue to build collagen to strengthen the elasticity of your skin. Massage to stimulate the nasolabial folds like this. with your knuckles to stimulate collagen production, helping to smooth out the smile lines. Using this part of the finger and lift the cheekbone area to smooth out the smile lines. Tapping encourages collagen and promotes elasticity and firmness over time. Do the mewing by pressing the tongue against the roof of the mouth. There are tons of benefits, including enhanced jawline definition, facial posture, and reduced appearance of double chin. You worked hard today. Let's calm and relax as we end this session. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Bye.